The Owen James Report is brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.
I'm sure you've seen many commercials about financial services and investment opportunities. The smiles, the nice business suits, the charts, the beautiful scenes, and of course, children.
Cut!
But real financial management means more than selling you a product or service. It's about protecting your money, your life, your future. It's about integrity. With over 3 decades of proven excellence, you should look no further than Burrita, making money work for you.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. The Office of Utilities Regulation, the OUR, which earlier today summoned the JPSCO to a meeting over its decision to curtail electricity to certain high-theft communities, today issued a cease and desist order against the company. The JPSCO says it will comply with the order. Now, late this afternoon, the OUR, citing the provisions of Section 9 of the OUR Act, said failure to comply with the directive could result in prosecution. According to the OUR, legitimate customers ought not to have been affected by the JPSCO's action. The OUR says its investigations will continue and has instructed the JPSCO to provide it with outstanding information by 10 a.m. tomorrow. However, a senior JPSCO official says the company hopes that the government and the OUR will work with the company to help stem the tide of electricity theft, which is costing JPS almost 20% of its potential revenue and burdening legal JPSCO customers. Stung by the level of electricity theft, which has risen from $13 million 5 years ago to almost $57 million last year, the JPSCO announced yesterday it would be curtailing electricity in certain communities, most of which are located in well-known garrisons. The JPSCO had tried with little success to curtail the electricity theft, which in some communities reached 70%. On the foreign exchange market, amidst continued strong demand for hard currency, the Jamaican dollar faltered against the 3 regularly traded international currencies today. In other words, the US and the Canadian dollars as well as the British pound strengthened against the Jamaican dollar. The greenback gained 7 Jamaican cents, closing at a new all-time high average selling rate of $110.68, whilst the Canadian dollar surged by 19 cents Jamaican to close at $101.53. Sterling advanced by 12 Jamaican cents to close at $186.68. The commercial banks and other licensed financial companies bought a total of $29.6 million but sold $31.2 million. Now, finally, news on the Jamaican stock market now, where gains by Lime, NCB, Scotia Group and Scotia Investments helped to trigger advances in the Jamaican stock market indices. The main JC index gained 528 points, or 0.7%. 31 stocks traded, with 11 advancing, 12 declining and 8 holding firm. The winners included Carreras, JMMB Lime up 3.2%, NCB Sadricor's Real Estate X Fund, Scotia Group and Scotia Investments, the day's big winner, up 6.5%. The losers included Caribbean Cement, Caribbean Cream down 5%, D&G, Grace Kennedy, Sadricor Group Jamaica and Seprod down 4.2%. That's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.